Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix there is a billing problem with previous purchase on your iPhone and iPad iOS 14. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, close it and open setting. Type on Apple ID profile and now type on media and purchases. Type on view account. Now type on country region. Type on change country region. Select your country. As I have selected United States, type it. Type on agree. So as you can see, here is the payment method, credit and debit card, PayPal. So you have to select here none. Select none and scroll down. Put the formalities. You can put fake one. So select here region, state, and type your postal code, zip code. This is my postal code. You can search your postal code on Google by your city name. So phone number you can put as a formalities. Type on next. Done. That's it. Now go to App Store again. Search that app. As you can see, here is the app. Now type on get. Give your Apple ID password. As you can see, error has been resolved and app is installing successfully on my phone. So if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. I will help you more. That's it. Thanks for watching.